Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And there, right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Let's tap on it. If you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got two different options: 1080p, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, or 720p. So all we can do here is to tap on this option, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. It is visible right here in this standard video look, not look. You can be sure that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording the video. So it's up to you. You can use this one, 720p or 1080p, which will also be currently immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.